Hey, homebuyers of Tampa Bay. I know it has been tough for a lot of people that are trying to buy a house or even considering it. And I wanted to offer 4 programs that may help make your next home purchase easier. Number 1 is we have rent to own options and they are dog friendly. This is treated just like a rental. You have 5 years to purchase the house or you can just walk away. It is at least 1-year contract, and it is perfect for those who are new to the area. Maybe you're not quite sure what side of town you want to live in and you're relocating here. So that is a great option for you. This also allows you to pick a current property that is on the market for sale, and it puts you as a cash offer above all other competitors, and it gives you the advantage to rent the house before fully purchasing and owning the responsibilities of the house. So fantastic program. Second program is we are able to convert your financed offer into a cash offer while still using your favorite preferred lender. Amazing. This does give you a competitive advantage if you are competing against other strong financed offers, as most sellers are going to prefer cash over financed. Always depends on the terms. Third program is we have where it can help you build a custom home, whether it's on an empty lot or a tear down house. Imagine building your dream house from scratch, picking out all the goods inside. That'd be pretty cool. 4 is we have programs and resources that can help you purchase a house that maybe it needs a little TLC and love. It'll convert it into something that is not livable and will be fully livable. Great option for that as well. So don't be scared about this talk about interest rates going high. We are still at a historically low rate. Don't you remember the stories of our parents saying how high they used to be? Or was that just mine? Yeah, still great options out there for home buyers. And if any of these 4 tips speak to you, feel free to comment down below, or you can call me directly and we can discuss it in more detail. Look forward to hearing from you. I hope these 4 programs were helpful or maybe can help someone that you love, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.